Okay guys, we're with Lynn and Michaela. It's possession day and it's your first property, right?
Yes, very first.
Okay, I know you rang me about 3 months ago or 2 months ago. You were in a huff and a puff, you went to see a property and I had never met you before. Someone had told you about me and you're like, I want to buy this property, and I'm like, slow down.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, did you come to an open house here, or was that the open house in Glenbrook that you were looking at that you called me on? You wanted to look at a property down there?
Glenbrook, actually.
Glenbrook.
And with somebody else at the time.
Yeah,
That
another realtor, right?
Yeah.
And I know when you came to us, we kind of said, yeah, Glenbrook's okay, but there's a lot of low-income housing. And so we said, we can find you something better. And then you actually stumbled across this. And the story on this property is someone had bought it previously for $306,000 and then spent $40,000 on upgrades. And I know you were just telling me your mum was super happy with that, like getting a deal. And do you mind if I share what you paid for the property?
Not at all, yeah.
Yeah, so you actually picked it up for $206,000. We negotiated hard. I know your mum was squeezing us for more, but at the end of the day, how does it feel? And working with Tim and myself, I know we helped you through this process, and you worked with Danielle as well. If you could tell everybody out there how stressful it was, because we like to tell the good and the bad, but how did it go and how does it feel now?
Yeah, it felt amazing. It was really difficult at the start, 100%. The biggest thing that I was worried about as a first-time buyer was I had no clue what to do and where to go. We were both just Googling things, listening to everybody's advice, which I think is a mistake. I think it's good to find like a realtor like yourself, a mortgage broker in your network that we trust, and to stick with that. Because everybody's trying to help you out, like my family members, you know, they see this one day, I'm sure they'll know I'm thankful for their help.
But they really did help you, so that's awesome. And so you took our advice and we took it one step at a time. We got the financing first, and we had a few kinks, but you got through that. And buying a property knowing that you bought it $100,000 cheaper than someone paid for it previously, how does that feel? Because we don't know when prices are going to come back. But in today's newspaper, actually in Calgary, it already says Calgary's about to go through another boom, and is Calgary ready for it? So that kind of means that one day those prices will come back. We don't know when, but how does that feel knowing that you're getting into an investment? And tell everyone out there what you were renting for before in your current place, and now how much is it going to cost to live in your brand new place and you're paying the mortgage down every month?
So before, we're supposed to be paying up to $600 with utilities, so $1,200.
Okay.
The mortgage is about $1,400 total with utilities, everything included, electricity. That's on the high end. And so it feels nice to be able to put your money into something that will make you money later. And it feels nice to get that education from someone like yourself and your team. Because like I said, I've tried a lot of different people actually, and then I came back to you guys with the mortgage side of things and the information, and it stuck true. So I really appreciate that.
So instead of renting now, you own your own place, and the mortgage is actually getting paid down every month, and you've already got built-in equity.
Exactly.
Well, congratulations.
And what do you think of this place, Michaela?
I like it. I'm really excited to start decorating it. Paint over.
I can't believe they're moving in tomorrow. Who's helping you guys move? Just so we know.
Most of my friends.
You got to buy some pizza for everyone.
Oh,
Plan.
It'll be a good time.
Okay, if you want to be like Michaela and Lynn and get your first property and buy it $100,000 below what someone else paid for it, subscribe to our YouTube channel below at Crew TV, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.